Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from GearLight. Now this here is their S2500, comes in this box. Now they contacted me, they wanted me to test and review this light. Now this particular light runs on AA batteries, so it's great for people that don't want to use lithium cells or be able to have a battery that's easily be obtained from any store, that is. Now this is a complete floodlight, so let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. And we get a user manual. Telling you about the light, how to operate it. No specs, and the warranty is 1 year. And you get a coupon here, 30% off. They want to know whether you're happy with their product. And there it is. Now this is a zoom light. Does come with a lanyard, and it's a nice size. Does have a tail clicky. Some heat sinking here on the head. Knurling. Not rough though. You can table stand this if you do it carefully with the ring on the lanyard might get in the way, but it can be done. Style design on this is nice. Now the machining and finish on this is good. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here. This is a magnified lens. As you can see there, this is a quad LED of some sort, but they don't give any kind of literature on what it is. That's what it looks like. Zoom in. Maybe you guys can leave a comment to what it is. Again, that's quad LED of some sort. Not a Cree though. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides. Straight contact point there. Does have a spring behind it. There's the battery carrier. Some people call it a cartridge. Tells you which way to put it in. Of course, spring loaded there as well. Only goes in one way. Springs. Plastic design. And you've got a spring way down in the barrel on the head. Alright, so now let's bring out some alkaline batteries. I'm going to be using, got these off of Amazon. They're the AC Delco alkaline cells. Had no problem with these. great for Christmas time. Get 100 pack of these. Nice pricing. Christmas gifts, all electronics, they do go quickly. Goes in there just like that. Now let's go ahead and put it back together and go through the UI. Alright, we're going to turn it on. A lot of light comes out of here. That's why I'm featuring this on my channel. Pretty impressive light output. And typical for these zoom lights. Especially this running on a AA cells. That's impressive. And that's what it looks like when it's zoomed in. Does have a little bit of a halo effect on there. But I did a lux meter test, and it's putting out about 1250 lumens. So it's not bad at all, especially for flood. And you're running it on just regular AA cells. There's the next level downward. Does have some PWM on the lower outputs. Then you have strobe. And then you're right back to the highest output. Really simple on the UI, nothing difficult. Anybody can use this light. Again, beam is all the way across, same light output, nice cutoff. And that's all there is to this light. So let's wait no further, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the GearLight zoom light. Alright, comes on the highest output. There it is, 35 feet to that water spout. 65 feet to that tree right there. Still being profile. Again, 1200 lumens. A little over actually, but not much. Especially for AA lights. This has a lot of light output. Do it before and after here. Making 138 feet of all flood. Impressive. Now we're going to go down to the next level. There's the lowest level. There's a little bit of PWM on this camera. My other camera is showing quite a bit more. Again, still good, usable light output. This will give you the longest run times. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and zoom it in for you guys. One-handed. And it is a square beam on there. Faintly making those palm trees. Not quite there completely. "238 feet to that tree behind this tree of life." I have all my distances in my group on Facebook. Check it out there, or you can check out my video here. I show them here as well for all the people that doubt. Fence line, tree line, and we'll zoom it back out. And you've got all that. Impressive performance. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive performance. Again, this provides light to a huge area in front of you. If you need additional range, you can zoom this light in quickly. To have that, zooming it back out, you've got the field vision improvement. Again, this is running on 6 AA cells. You can use rechargeable as well, or the lithium 1.5 volt. Not seeing any issues in the build quality as well. They do sell a lot of other lights, but this one here particularly stood out to me from their store. And for the price point for this light, getting them for gifts here, holidays are right around the corner. This is a very nice light for mom and dad, something that's easy to use and provides a large amount of light. Now I want to thank GearLight for sending me this to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, I'll leave a link down in the description, including a special discount code, save you even more on this already affordable flashlight, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from GearLight to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.